Hello everyone and welcome to the 10th tutorial in the Fundamentals of ICT series. In this video, we will learn how to create an attendance record spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel and transform it into a professional PowerPoint presentation. You will discover how to highlight key data with conditional formatting, visualize trends with a column chart and summarize the data efficiently in the presentation. Let's dive in and get started. To start with, we have to open Excel and create a blank workbook. Here, let's say the first column could be the name of the student, Jan, the month of Jan, then Feb, and then March. Let's say the students are Alex, Maria, John, Sarah, and David. So the attendance can be 60, sorry, 80, 60, 90, 72, 95. Okay. Make sure you enter few below 70 marks so that we can apply conditional formattings. Then for the March, 85, 65, 88, 70 and 90. Okay, we are done with the data entry. Next we will be doing is conditional formatting. So select the data, go to conditional formatting, highlight less than, condition as 75 and press OK. So these are the students having below 75 attendance. Next we have to create a column chart. So select the data, go to insert, go here and select any one of the like column which you want to do. Let's go for 2D column. So here we can see Alex has this many of attendance, Maria, John, Sarah, David. Then we have color coding for each month. The blue is Jan, Feb is orange, March is green. So next we have to do is add this chart inside PowerPoint. So let's see how to do that. To do that, we have to open PowerPoint, create a blank presentation, title and contain, then go to bar chart. Here we can like enter any chart, let's say this one, then press on OK. What we'll be doing is we'll be copying this data into this chart. Now we can see the data is already copied to PowerPoint. Next we have to do is write a summary of students attendance. So let's say the title is summary of trends. Okay, then we will be writing most like any statements or observance of your chart. So maintenance consistent attendance across months. We can write it as Maria and Sarah showed attendance below 75. Like this, you can write any observations you have done through the charts. So in this chart, we can clearly see the highest attendance are of David. So we can also write it as David has the highest attendance record in all 3 months. So these are the few things you can do in the question. And that's a wrap for our tutorial on creating an attendance record spreadsheet and presentation. You all learned how to use conditional formatting, generate insightful charts, and present data professionally in PowerPoint. If this video is useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below your thoughts and suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video in the Fundamentals of ICT series.